Another GEVO? Hey guys, it's Ravenhawk6910 reporting once again. In this video, we're going to take a look at the latest run of the Rivet Counter General Electric Demonstrator ET44AC diesel locomotive from ScaleTrains.com in this bright red, black and gray WABTEC Corporation fantasy scheme. First up though, it is disclaimer time. The pros and cons in this video are not representations of my personal opinion. They attempt to be objective in nature and as such are either community opinions or facts about the model that I can represent on camera, so please don't assume anything in this video is my personal opinion unless I state so otherwise. Additionally, it's important to note that I don't speak on behalf of ScaleTrains.com and am not endorsed by any company. I'm an independent reviewer and the work I do does not reflect the thoughts of any companies in question. Got it? Get it? Good. Okay, let's get started. General Electric's Evolution series of locomotives has been on the market since 2004 and are designed to meet the Tier 2 and 3 level requirements of the EPA's Clean Air Act. In 2015, the Tier 4 regulations of the Act went into effect, making production of the earlier ES44 locomotives for the United States market illegal. GE, however, was prepared and unveiled the Tier 4 compliant ET44AC in 2012, with production beginning in 2015. As locomotive manufacturers often do, demonstrator engines were dispatched to Class 1 railroads across the country for companies to test out before purchasing any models of their own. GE painted these locomotives in a basic blue paint scheme with GECX reportive markings on the cab. In 2019, General Electric Transportation Systems was acquired by WABTEC Corporation. In the promotional brochure for the ET44AC, a series of photos of Demo Unit 2029 was photoshopped to wear a WABTEC paint scheme. A similar scheme would later be used on battery-powered GEVO demonstrator GECX 3000. While 2029 would never wear this paint scheme in real life, ScaleTrains.com took some creative licensing and offered this scheme on a demonstrator ET44AC HO scale model for the 5th run of the models, which arrived in August of 2021. This model was offered in both DCC ready and DCC sound equipped form. The unit I have here happens to be the DCC and ESU lock sound equipped version. Also, a quick side note, the real GECX 2029 was later sold to Canadian National, so this unit will actually fit in really well with my CN fleet, even though it is a fantasy unit. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at some of the detail highlights on this model, and yeah, this model is extremely well detailed, but then that's kind of what scale trains are known for. Some of my personal favorite things on this model are, first off, the rotating bearing caps on the trucks. I've seen this feature on O-scale freight cars, but the fact HO-scale models, and particularly locomotives, are getting this treatment now is really cool to see, and it just adds to the realism of the unit. It's one of those things you wouldn't normally think you would need on a model, but after seeing them in person, yeah, these are cool. What I also like is that Scale Trains took the time to make a separate tooling for the demonstrator ET44s. The demo units have larger car bodies in the center to make room for an exhaust treatment system. While production models have a hump as well, it's much shorter in size. The demo units remind me very much of the older GE C39-8s, one of my favorite GE models of all time, and one that is also made available by Scale Trains in the Rivet Counter line. Also on the demo units, there's a 2-chime horn mounted inside the radiator wings. Not only does this model have this, but on the sound file, when the engine is switched into reverse, that horn is what you hear play. A really cool and unexpected feature of this already fun model. Alright, let's go ahead and check out some of the sounds on this unit. I'll be using the Digitrax Zephyr Express for this video, but you can use your own DCC system of choice. F8 is the startup sequence. Function 2 activates the horn and plays the locomotive's E-bell as well. Now if we switch direction to reverse, we'll hear the second horn on the back of the unit. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go ahead and move this thing out. Well, that just about does it for the ET44AC. I have to say, I'm impressed. This is my first Tier 4 GEVO from ScaleTrains.com, and I really like it. I've also got more of these units on order in the form of the Canadian National Heritage units and Veterans units, which will be coming sometime next year. So when those units show up, you can definitely expect videos of them from me as well. For now, though, if you stuck around this long in the video, first of all, let me say thank you for doing that. And also, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and clicked the notification bell so that way you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Also, like the video and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next review. This is Ravenhawk6910, signing off.